This Ask the Attorney segment is brought to you by John Michael Bailey Injury Lawyers.
Well, it's Ask the Attorney Wednesday, and joining us today to answer your questions about car wrecks is attorney John Michael Bailey, J&B. Let's get right to some questions. Trey from Lakeland, my cousin was driving down Canada Road approaching the light there at Highway 64 when a young man rear-ended him going 50 miles an hour. I have uninsured motorist coverage, but he does not have insurance at all. He admitted to police that he was texting and driving and wasn't paying attention. Do I have a case?
Absolutely, you have a case. And thankfully, you have listened to us here on the program talk about what? Uninsured motorist coverage. Because now your uninsured motorist coverage is going to step into the shoes of the insurance company that fella didn't have and is going to compensate you for your injuries and damages. Now, I got some bad news. If you think that your insurance company is going to come screeching into your driveway with a kidnapped van full of gold doubloons, you're wrong. You're going to have to fight, scratch, punch, gouge, everything you need to do to get that insurance company to pay you the right way. The only time the insurance company is going to do anything that they need to do responsibly is either at the point of a bayonet or because of a consent order in federal court. So you need somebody to get up and stand up and fight for you. Now, you can call anybody you want, but I would love to hear from you, and you can call me now, 888-WE-FIGHT.
It's discouraging to know that you have to fight your own insurance company, but that's the way it is.
That's the nature of the beast.
All right, so Leighton from Cordova, my grandmother was at the intersection of Walnut Grove and Sanga turning left when she was hit head-on by a driver coming the opposite direction. We weren't sure how he did it until he was arrested because he was intoxicated. He got a DUI. Does my grandmother have a case?
Absolutely, your grandmother has a case. And let me tell you something. Not only does your grandmother have a case against the fellow that hit her head on, your grandmother has a case against either the individual or more likely the bar that got that guy liquored up. That's called a dram shop action. And if you are an establishment and you serve somebody who is obviously intoxicated and that person goes out and hurts somebody, then you are responsible for the damages, or that company is responsible for the damages that are done. This case, you need somebody to get into this case, investigate this case, find where he got his liquor on, and get every person that's responsible paying for the damages to your grandmother. They had to be totally frightening, sitting there waiting to turn and being head on. So, again,
I've been at that intersection. Yeah.
I have too, 1,000,000 times with my child. So we need to make, as a community, we need to make a statement on this kind of a case that this will not be tolerated, and we need to punish everybody responsible, and that includes the person that got him drunk. So, again, you can call anybody in town, but I would love to hear from you, and you can call me now, 888-WE-FIGHT.
All right, good hearing from you, J&B. Let's hear from Brittany DeBose now over